Thank you for clicking on WYTV.com. I'm forecaster Jacob Thompson. Let's get started as we are expecting some rain to come into the area. So as you can see, about Saturday night, 11 o'clock, there is that slight chance of a shower or sprinkle in the area. That chance stays around through the overnight hours. And then as we get into your Sunday, you could see some rain up here forming right off of Lake Erie. But watch as this front just comes right through into the area, and then we can expect more rain for your Saturday, or excuse me, your Sunday. The rain chances, they just keep staying in the area. So a lot of places can expect to see a lot of rain. How much? We'll get to that in a second. So Sunday night at 11, that rain slowly starts to move out of the area, but we're not done yet. As you can see, another batch of rain coming in Monday at about noon. That moves its way on out, and then here comes another one heading on in through the area about dinner time for Monday. So those rain chances are pretty much for over the next 48 hours going to stay a chance of rain within the area. Now, how much rain are we talking about here? So let's get started. As that rain starts to move in, about 5 o'clock on Sunday, you could see that some places are getting about above a quarter of an inch of rain, and those totals just keep moving up. As we get on to about Monday at 9 a.m., rain totals get above an inch for most places, and we'll continue to climb as we get on through your Monday at about 10 o'clock. Some places getting up to about 2 inches of rain. So you're going to want to remember that as you head out the door for work on Monday. So tomorrow, high of 53 for your Sunday. Cloudy, then a wide spread of showers with about, like I told you earlier, half an inch to an inch. Some places can get more rain. So as we look into your 7-day forecast, Tuesday, that rain starts to move out of the area. There's still a chance of it. Wednesday looks a little bit better with a high about 56 degrees. Thursday, high of 59. That slight chance of rain. We are expecting more rain to come back in on your Friday for a high about 54. Saturday, those rain chances stay in the area with about a high of 55.